It's time for that goodie time. Goodie time. Let's get into it. We got some tilapia, shrimp, corn, cauliflower rice. Good, y'all.
Hey, visitor. Welcome to Masai's world. Today we're gonna eat and we're gonna get some shrimp, we got some corn, butter. So today we're gonna eat and then
First we're gonna
pray.
say thank you for this food.
Thank you for the food and hallelujah and the name of Jesus. And thank my mom and Jesus, hallelujah. Thank you for the school and the lesson today to be hallelujah. In Jesus, amen. Okay, we got to eat. Oh, so
Good.
good. Those Italian books.
So what do you guys do with that? What do you guys eat with that?
What you guys eating? Let me know in the comments below what you're gonna eat. Yes! And hit that bell for your boy and let's get it, baby. This water, bro.
Good water.
Good water.
You like my corn?
You like my corn? Eat it. Here, eat the corn.
Say hi, Mr. Sunshine. Someone to say hi, Mr. Sunshine.
Hi, Mr. Sunshine. You better be good or I might get you. Okay. And the food is not cool. Knuckles. What are you guys eating today? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Do you like my water? Or you want my food? Okay, so let's do this one more time. In the name of Jesus, hallelujah. In the name of Jesus, I go to school and pray. And listen to my peoples. Listen. Amen. Okay, so let's eat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, subscribe, and leave us a comment below. Are you gonna eat? And hit that bell for you, boy. Let's get it, baby. And please subscribe to my channel. And in my heart, it's all the post. Peace. Bye. This is me. Okay. So we need to eat and then we can go. Hey, look. Give me a thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up on the pets. Or give you a smash something. Thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Bye. Oh wait, hang on, one more thing. Okay, so we're about to get in and eat. Bye.
Y'all, I was talking to y'all, I was eating, and y'all wasn't there again. Hopefully I prayed. I don't even know y'all see me pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, bless this food purified in Jesus' name. And bless those that are watching. I pray they have food on their table daily. Okay. Well, it was a lot of food over here. Going there. I'm just going and going. And then I looked and said, what? I ain't even recording. Hi, Mr. Sunshine. We have tilapia and shrimp, corn, and Italian cauliflower rice. I don't even know if y'all heard that. I don't know what happened. I'm talking to y'all, and y'all not there. What I was saying was, see little feet coming in is my grandson. Just letting it roll. So, mm, mm, mm. Now I'm full. I'm just talking. Oh my goodness, must have been over 10 minutes. Don't get old. Do not get old. The body goes, the mind goes, but the fat stays. The fat stays, okay? The mind, the mind goes, the body goes, but the fat stays. Man, what was I talking about? I forgot. And I guess y'all didn't see this neither then, huh? That's falling apart. Yep. And this is a blooper video. A real blooper. Mm. I don't know why I ain't see no numbers in nothing. Cauliflower Italian rice. It's really good. think I know what I'm talking about. South Africa. They're killing people. Just foreigners and the Nigerians. I understand they're just like a genocide or something. It's crazy. It's the shortest video I ever did. Things happen. So much go on. Can't let it get you down. So much go on, y'all. What did happen to you guys? You guys get recording and it's not recording. This is so funny, though. I think this is my second or third time it happening, though. You're kind of worried, okay? Getting kind of worried about it. And somebody said something to me. Very, very rude. And I was actually trying to help them. And then they commented, nobody wants to see you chowing down. I could have went all the way left. But I didn't. Nope. I said, well, me telling you something that's trying to help you, but not helping. I said, you know what? You have a blessing. Blessing to you. People trying to tear you down, say something mean and nasty. Don't let it spoil your day. They're the ones with the problem. That is so good. I'm good now. Can't let people get you down. Shake the dust off your feet and keep stepping, okay? Keep stepping. That's the affirmation. I am up. I am high. Not the other kind of high. I am high above the mess. High above the mess. I'm going to keep it pushing. I will survive. I will survive. I am a survivor. The universe is going to open up marvelous things for me and for you. Yes. So that's what I have to say. Don't let nobody tear you down with words. Take those words and throw them away. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for coming. I really, really thank you. Have a blessed and beautiful day, or evening, or morning, wherever you're looking at right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell someone about your girl. I thank you again. And hit that bell. Bye.